Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Uh, Important point this presentation, my videos, search engine optimization, the fundamental, the SEO fundamentals. Very important, very easy. Every freelancer, every person, every businessman, every people, every student, every freelancer, everybody know that the search engine optimization, the fundamentals, SEO fundamentals. I can sum my class and my lectures, my videos, my tutorial presentation. Search engine optimization fundamental. Search engine optimization. If you want to get traffic to your site, search engine optimization is absolutely must. In fact, according to a rich industry strategy, 58.8% all traffic, website traffic, organic from Google. Again repeat, 58.8% of all website traffic organic from Google. Complete 5% from Facebook and 4.9% from YouTube, which mean that search engine optimization is from, in fact, it is more important than ever. It is section you learn the basic search engine optimization, like how search engine work, key Google rank factors, creating and search engine friendly website, and many more. This is page and libraries recommend to help you learn the fundamental of search engine optimization. Number one, what is the search engine optimization? That means what is SEO? Simple answer to question, what is the search engine optimization, including tools and barriers and levels and that. Search engine posting. Learn everything you need to know about search engine posting in way important for search engine. And search engine optimization versus search engine marketing, search engine ranking factors, search engine best practice, search engine marketing methods, search engine optimization friendly web design. What are the SERPs, search engine rank pages? Friends, I can just promote fundamental of search engine. Just one point is discuss my videos. Search engine posting. What is the search engine posting? Search engine posting is the continued practice to optimize web page in order to achieve higher and more members. Result in search engine for a specific keyword. In order, search engine posting and subtest search engine optimization, that process on achieve higher ranking for a specific page and working site audit and technique and the option to working on site audit, technical search engine optimization, improve of choosing keyword to optimize for website, search engine posting important. We also defend the moving up just one step can improve CTR by 40%. Site search engine posting only about creating high Google ranking. That base the Google SERPs search engine result page isn't just link anymore. In case Google first page now contain an SER page, people also ask box, knowledge graphs, top stories, video result. Which is main that important your search engine of posting in just about moving up a few steps. It also about maximum SERPs real estate. This main ranking and high as you can also improve ranking multiple times and same page. What is conversion actually mixes as your search engine posting in the Google. Re-optimize your extend content. Your first step to make sure that content page are 100% optimized for search engine optimization, especially page that you're already ranking on this the first or second page. Why to improvement? Well, Google already ranks this site relevance and targeted keyword. Another near the first page of search result. So all you need to make on page search engine optimization UX improve to that page usually higher ranking. The search console is best page and this title. Use internal link. Now your page especially better item and create internet that point page specific one to internal link. Authorized page and site have dozen page in this bumper. Backlinks. Lot of backlink site you can search the Google search bar. Optimize for organic click-through rate. Google use organic click-through rate CTR frequency or which result are support relevant, super relevant and which again good and that keyword. Show that every search engine optimization expert than ideas. According to the Google Search Console, this page in many ranking, it was able to grade the CTR to 5% to 7% worse and strong single to Google that the people. CTR drop option. Improve your Chrome web visitor. Let's say that you page local loads and that contain hands. Will the Google used to going and that your page. Only the tips, the techniques use, the experience can individually and include hard to your search engine optimization tools. Say browse from your content is amazing. Google can that blogs will rank and UX. Get multiple result for same keyword. This type of advanced search engine optimization strategy so can search engine more. Another way to take up more SERPs, search engine result pages, real estate rank content, defense website, and this example the real estate business. Friends, very touch and important point, the SEO fundamentals, search and optimization fundamentals, talks my videos, presentation, my tutorial. If you want to traffic, sites and search and optimization and real industry, web traffic, organic from Google and computer 5%, Facebook and 4.8% YouTube, and which mean the search and optimization from data important than even the Google ranking factors, creating and search engine friendly optimize and many more. Thank you. Best of luck.